I've been running, chasing dreams on my own strength. Doors slamming shut, leaving me broken and drained. Plans after plans, but nothing ever seems to grow. Lord, I'm exhausted, heart heavy, moving way too slow. Tears in my pillow, anxiety won't let me chill. I keep planting seeds, but I'm desperate for the thrill. I forgot you're the author, the one who writes my story. Your ways are higher, but right now it's killing me. Teach me patience, Lord. Nifundishe Subira. In your perfect time, every promise you will deliver. I'm tired of rushing, pulling ahead of your will. Lord, pull me back, help me trust and just be still. Nifundishe Subira. Mungu wangu, yeah. In your perfect timing, yeah. Let your goodness overflow. Yeah, I've tried everything, hustle day and night, sacrifice sleep, still no breakthrough in sight. The world moving fast, success flashing on my screen, but my blessings delayed, it's tearing me at the seams. I'm impatient, anxious, checking the clock every hour, forgetting you're the God who controls the sun in the shower. Seeds in the ground, but the rain ain't falling yet. I'm on my knees crying, Lord, don't let me forget. You're never late, never early, always on time. But these waiting seasons got me losing my mind. Teach me patience, Lord. Nifundishe Subira. In your perfect time, every promise you will deliver. I'm tired of rushing, pulling ahead of your will. Lord, pull me back, help me trust and just be still. Nifundishe Subira. Mungu wangu, in your perfect timing, let your goodness overflow. I lay it all down, my plans, my pride, my pain, the frustration, the tears, the fear of waiting in vain. Even when it hurts and I don't understand your way, I choose to praise through the fire. I surrender today. Bring my impatient heart, remake it like new. Fill me with your peace while I'm trusting you. Teach me patience, Lord. Every promise you will deliver. I will wait upon you. My strength will be renewed. Like an eagle I will rise when your season breaks through. Asante Mungu, for teaching me to trust. In your perfect timing, it is well with my soul. Nifundishe Subira. In your time, Lord.